YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So, if you want to see how a bald bitch like this went from, well, that, see, I messed that up, hold on. If you want to see how I went from this to this, grip queen, okay? You can't tell me that that's grippable. That's not grippable. I'm just like, nah, it probably is, but I'm tooting my horn. If you want to see how the grip queen gripped, I'm trying to rhyme, hold on. If you want to see how the grip queen gripped her seams, I'm just saying. It don't matter, but I did this. If you want to see how I did this, keep watching, okay? Thank you. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share, and support your girl, because we going up all October. Period. Thank you, guys.
Perfect.
Okay, I did, I think, 3 different methods in my hair for the gripping part. This first method, since this piece of my hair was like so short, I used the 2-way thing where you like get one piece of hair and you separate it into 2 and then you cross it. That's what I did with this one, and it worked for the most part. But as I started braiding my hair more, I realized that the method that I'm gonna show probably, I think, after this one was the method that was easier with short hair, which was the crochet method, and you guys will see that, so I'll stop talking about that. But then my other method, I guess, which would be my third method, was the you know, the regular, just take the one strand of hair, loop it around your hair, and then keep braiding. So yeah, those are my 3 methods. Yeah, I definitely would recommend the crochet one because it just honestly worked for me. And if you are a bald-headed hoe like me, I'm just like, nah. But if you're bald like me, or just have shorter hair, definitely look into the crochet method because it honestly did save me a lot of time and it helped. Okay, no lie, I'm gonna finish this today because if you know me, it takes like 3 hours to do some braids, y'all. Like 3 freaking hours. But not today, sir, not today. I realized that taking the rubber bands off actually helps way more. I'm using my braid gel. This one that I just did a unboxing of. I'm using that on my actual hair because it's less harsh. And then I'm using the Shine Gem on my actual what am I trying to say? On the actual braids. Maybe honestly I should put out some baby hairs because I don't want to put too many up because I figured like with time they were gonna like follow suit, but y'all know I don't have edges like that. Okay, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I just wanted to get on here and say hey. I'm kind of upset because it's darker than I want. I was trying to rush in the store because usually I get the ombre, but this time I got the little T one, and that's like all tangled in, so it looks dark, and I'm not. Where's the color? You know? Where is the mother freaking color? But okay, that's all. TCYLs. I'll definitely come back and show you guys progress. But yeah. Until then, you guys just watch these little time lapse of me doing hair, I guess. Bye. Hey you guys, no lie, I forgot I was recording, but we are done. Where? Bald headed where? But nah, so I'm about to try to do these little baby hairs. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to put the baby hairs out first. But like, I just felt like my hair is gonna get loose anyway, so it didn't make sense to. So these should be quick. These should be quicker than a... I got like no baby hairs, oh my god. Whatever, okay, you know, whatever. I literally took none out. Definitely about to use that black edge control that I have, cause I don't want to be walking around looking like I'm just, you know. Okay, we about to slick it down, slick it down, slick it down. I'm using the Fiber Dark Brown edge control and do my favorite little step. That Cream of Nature argan oil. I mean, not argan. Well, I mean, it is Cream of Nature argan oil. My hands are tired, so I can't even squirt it the way I wanted it to. This is so soothing on my scalp. Oh my gosh. Make sure y'all get all the way at the ends. I mean, this is not really a... I don't know, whatever. Make sure you get all over your head. I used to look at the videos. I'd be like, why they being so extra? Like, why they got all the... Like, they using all their phone. And then I realized, duh, because you need to use all of it. Don't use all of it for real. Oh my gosh, it just dropped. I'm literally not showing love to this part of my hair. Let me get on it. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. Yes, I should show y'all this step, because I can't pick it up. It's too hard to pick up, honestly. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Yeah, I think bootleg. Okay, so we're gonna start from the back. Put some more foam on there because I am extra. Okay, y'all ready? What Jason Pitt say? Dip and pits and pits and dip and pits. Okay, I'm trying to make sure all that thing in there. Toot that thing up, Shauna, make it roll once you pop. Okay, we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Let it sit, let it sit, let it sit. Well, this is kind of self-explanatory, so I'll just like let y'all like run through it. Hold on one second. And we are done. I'm gonna dress it up and make it real for y'all like another time. But like I'm about to go to sleep. Well, take a shower and go to sleep because no. Thank you guys for watching.